मिक्सर ग्राइंडर अब हर किचन का एक एसेंशियल पार्ट बन चुका है। अब चाहे आप अपने समोसों के लिए पुदीने की चटनी बनाना चाहते हो या अपने बच्चों के लिए फ्रेश होममेड डोसा बैटर, आपकी सारी ग्राइंडिंग, मिक्सिंग और ब्लेंडिंग नीड्स को कम समय में पूरा करता है एक मिक्सर ग्राइंडर। Hello everyone, welcome to our guide on buying the perfect mixer grinder. I am your host and today I will help you find the ideal mixer grinder for your needs. Consider the size of your family and the quantity of food you usually prepare. A larger family might require a mixer grinder with a more powerful motor and a bigger jar capacity. अब हम बात करते हैं कि आपको कितने जार्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी आपके घर के यूज के लिए। Mixers normally comes in 2, 3, 4 and 5 jar options. A general 3 jar mixer, which is one of the most common jar sizes in a lot of mixer models, consists of a 0.5 to 0.4 liter chutney grinding jar, a 1 liter dry grinding jar and a 1.5 liter wet grinding jar. These are the bare minimum jars needed for every home and we suggest you to buy a minimum 3 jar mixer grinder. Now some brands on the top of these jars add a blender jar, fruit filter jar, food processing jar, etc. to increase the overall jar quantity. These have their own unique benefit and you should evaluate if you have a need for those functions and choose accordingly. Let's talk about the wattage of mixer, which is the first important parameter to consider when buying a mixer. Most common mixer wattage range starts from 450 watts and goes up to 1250 watts. Out of these, the most popular sizes for home use are 500 watts, 750 watts and 1000 watts. If your use of a mixer is only for regular grinding like making chutneys, purees, juices, etc., then you can opt for 600 watt or below mixer grinder. But if you have needs for tough grinding like dry masalas, coconut, turmeric, dosa batter, etc., then you should always opt for minimum 750 watt mixer grinder. अब जब हम मिक्सर की पावर की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो इसके साथ आप एक और पैरामीटर का ध्यान रखें और वो पैरामीटर है RPM और रोटेशन पर मिनट ऑफ द ब्लेड. More RPM means more quantity of ingredients processed in lesser time. The mixer grinder that comes with a high RPM motors can grind the ingredients faster, but a high RPM motor produces more noise and heat. My suggestion is that a mixer grinder of 15,000 RPM is greater for the most applications. For grinding hard ingredients, you can opt for mixer grinder from 18,000 RPM to 23,000 RPM. Another important aspect to consider when purchasing a mixer grinder, it's crucial to think about its noise level. You should choose a mixer grinder which doesn't make too much noise. Our recommendation is to buy a mixer grinder with sound level ranging from 80 to 90 decibels. Now let's discuss about the types of material used in mixer grinder. The blades must be made of stainless steels as they are highly efficient. Mixer jars should be ideally made of stainless steel or polycarbonate because they are truly long lasting. The body of the mixer should be made of high-grade ABS plastic as it is durable, rust-free and will not be too heavy. There are few more features which I would like to mention which I think you should know when you go out to buy your mixer grinder. From safety standpoint, please make sure you buy mixers with overload protection. This function prevents your mixer from overheating and electrical damage due to incorrect usage. Some mixers won't start unless the jar in the right place, so no accidental starts. Also, there are mixers which come with detachable blades and jars and dishwasher safe parts, making your post-cooking cleanup easy. But these are additional features which will add to the mixer costs. So if you feel the need for the same, you can consider mixers with these functionality also. Another aspect to look for is a reliable service warranty. Most of the reputed brands provide minimum 2-year warranty on the product and 5-year warranty on the motor. Our suggestion is that you should go for a minimum 2 plus 5-year warranty models, as it will guarantee the quality of the mixer you are buying. Products from reputed brands are always good to use than using products from local brands. Whether you are looking for a basic mixer grinder or advanced one, you should always look for a product from a reputed brand. Our pick for great mixer grinder brands is Preeti, Havells, Prestige and Bajaj. They have own manufacturing and great after-sales service and overall excellent product quality. I sincerely hope this buying guide will help you select the right mixer grinder for your kitchen and help you become a kitchen master chef.